So it's okay to sell if the story changes. Now, Vi, what is this? Okay, so as you can see, y'all, I have a variation of Elliott waves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction, and this is what I'm currently saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. All right, and as you can see, big picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can come over here, we have this one, the leading diagonal pattern, and then we kind of see the same thing going on here. So you can see the 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, all the way to the 5. All right. So, scenario, right? I'm currently looking at this analysis, and currently I'm looking for Bitcoin to come to around this area right here. And make its bounce, right? And if I want to be all sophisticated, I can possibly do like that or something like this, right? Okay. So, all right, say Bitcoin does come down here, and I wanted to make a buy to up here. Looking at this pattern and say this Elliott wave was my strategy, I would go here to the bottom left. I would click on the long position you see here. Click on it. I would put my entry as this low down here or this support. And I would put my take profit, say, up here if I was really die hard for this pattern. And I would put my stop loss around right here. All right, now give us like a 3 to 2. Now, Vi, your stop loss, you put it all the way at 27,000, and you put your take profit from the entry that would be theoretically around right here. Yes. Or actually, if I want to be really conservative, I'll put it right back where I had it. Put it right there. Why, Vi? Why did you put your entry right there, your stop loss right there, right down here, and your entry right here? So, this is my story, okay? If you're new, this is probably all jibber jabber to you. You see a bunch of lines, ABCs, and numbers, and you probably have no idea what you're looking at. But putting this in simplest terms, this is a strategy that if you continue going into trading, you could potentially start working on things like this and start seeing the market in a view like this. But from the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, this is kind of what I'm expecting, right? In this example, so structure wise, if price action was to bounce, right, come up here, come down here, then break down here, then come back up here, and then bounce down, the story is no longer what I see here, you know? So currently I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's no longer 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it comes bouncing around this area, and then some news come out or something crazy comes out, and it bounces down. I like this. This stop loss is when the story changes. Like this stop loss, you see down here, I can go even more deeper into it. Right. Seeing how price bounced around this area, this is a strong support. So saying if I wanted to use this level, right, as like a little support zone, right? If price breaks down below this, this would no longer be in the vicinity of this. Honestly, if it breaks this area right here, it would no longer be in the vicinity of this. So this is really just being conservative as heck, considering the take profit I have up here. So honestly, really do like that. Really. Now, Pete, this is not investment advice. This is just giving you an example of something I'm talking about if the story changes. So going back into the Discord that I have open now. In risk management, this is a perfect example because I see what I'm looking for profit at, right? I see where I'm looking to take my money at. I see the area. I see the structure. I see this is what I'm looking at. When it comes down here, this is kind of like my insurance because I don't predict the market, right? I'm just an observer of the market. I'm just a participant of the market. I'm not the market. So if the market decides to come down here, it's like, okay, no boo-hoo, no side story, no, oh, it could have done this, should have done this. Oh, no. It's like, it is this, right? It is how it is. So as is participating in and moving in that is in my responsibility to take care of my money. You know what I'm saying? Cherish my money. So insurance-wise, the story has changed down here, so I would sell. So that's basically as simple as I can put it in this very, very, very complex example. But this kind of gives you the example of what I'm talking about. Like, I don't expect, right? If I was to be in this trade, I wouldn't be like necessarily, oh, it's going to do this. But like, in case it does do that, it's always best to be best prepared, you know what I'm saying, and ready, just in case, because you never know what happens. So it's okay to sell if the story changes. There.